Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing the Apple's original Lightning to USB cable. Let's take a quick look. A very nice packaging by Apple. Here is the seal, let's open that. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's USB cable. We get some manuals which is of no use. Apple 1 year limited warranty. So, manual certification and compliance. We get nothing but a two special layer. Let's go ahead and take it off. Here we have the USB cable, we have the 8-pin connector and a 2.0 USB. You can connect this directly to your Mac, your PC or your iPhone. That's it. If you like the video, gonna make sure do subscribe, give the video thumbs up, drop all your comments below, hit the subscribe button. Every time I release a new video you will get a notification. See you guys in the next video. Bye.